feeling pain around your wrist while typing, lifting or twisting, then this might be wrist tendinitis. Today I will demonstrate a few PT approved exercises to relieve that pain and tension. So let's dive into the exercises. The first exercise is wrist range of motion. For this one, you can take the pillow, place it on your lap and keep your elbows in 90-degree angle. Now from here, you're going to bend your wrist down and then take it up. Go for at least 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Breathe naturally when you're doing this exercise. Relax your upper body and relax. Now, same position, we are going to go for unlearn and radial deviation. So what you're going to do, you can make a fist and take your wrist inwards and then outwards. Make sure you're not using your elbow and your shoulder joint. It's completely a wrist movement. Go for 10 reps. So right and left is 1 rep. Like this, we'll go for 10 reps. And relax. The third exercise is grip strengthening. So what you're going to do, keep your wrist relaxed now. You're just going to make a fist and you're going to open it. Just go for 10 reps. We're just working on range of motion and working on the muscles around your wrist joint. If you feel pain and if you feel difficulty doing the exercises, then just start with 10 reps and you can do it twice a day. And if you're okay with 10 reps, then go for at least 2 sets, 2 to 3 sets and relax. The next exercise is wrist stretches. So we are going to stretch our flexors and extensor compartment muscles. So what you're going to do, keep your elbow straight and make a fist. Now from here, you're going to bend your wrist down. You can take your opposite hand and stretch. You'll feel the stretch here. So you usually feel pain around this area, but these muscles are interconnected and all the tendons starts from here and then they insert here. So it's good to stretch all the group of muscles. Hold for at least 30 seconds. Relax, go for flexion. Keep your fingers open. Now you're going to stretch. Keep your elbows straight. Go for at least 2 to 3 reps each side and relax. Now we are going to do some strengthening exercises for the fingers. So all you need is a rubber band. Place a rubber band around your fingers. Now from here, you're going to open your fingers, widen them up. Now when you bring it back, don't release the rubber band, just bring it slowly and steadily. Okay, so open and close. Go for at least 10 reps. And hold for 5 seconds in the end range. And relax. The next exercise is strengthening exercise for wrist flexors. So we are going to take the dumbbell. I'm using 2lb dumbbell. You can, if you don't have a dumbbell, you can also take a water bottle, like 500 ml bottle. That will also work. So hold the wrist and keep your elbows in 90-degree angle. Now bend your wrist down and take it up. We'll go for flexion and extension. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps into 2 sets. And relax. Now we'll go for supination and pronation. For this one, you're going to hold the dumbbell or the bottle from the bottom. Now from here, and now you're going to keep your elbows in 90-degree angle and your thumb is going to face towards the ceiling. Now from here, you will rotate your wrist down, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, come back, then take it towards the opposite side. Make sure you're not keeping your elbow straight. It should be bent. It should be a 90-degree angle. Go for 10 reps. You can focus on your breaths. And relax. I hope you feel better with these exercises and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.